Oh, they're getting on their own.
Come here.
They're getting on their own too.
They're playing with that.
You can do their thing.
Will you grab one of them for me? Come on, Ducker's coming. Here you go.
He's on his own.
Here. Oh well. Let's go back in the water and get cold again. Ducky! Ducky crackers! Are you crackers? Are you cuckoo for crackers? Are you cuckoo for crackers? So what side are we not going to cover it up? Like right there?
I got a bench over there.
Yeah, I saw.
You probably bent it on over there a little bit too. You were able
No,
to.
that's fine. They'll get enough oxygen from there.
Oh, Mama.
Yeah. It'll get nice and warm in there once we close it up, you know?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, they'll get some heat from that, won't they?
Mm-hmm.
I'm getting some heat from it, putting my hand in there. Be nice, Quacker. Be nice. Be nice, Quacker. They seem happy and content, don't they?
Mm-hmm.
Can you see?
Yeah.
They seem happy and content. You taking a video?
Mm-hmm.
They'll never forget the day they got ducks. I never forget mine.
And Monster comes out here
Look,
one time.
he went in there by himself.
Monster comes out here and he pees in the wall.
Oh my gosh.
So is that tap water in the pool?
Yeah.
It's like, which do you like the more, the tap water or the...
Yeah. This one's coming.
Duckies.
Are you serious?
He peed on the slide. I just cleaned that.
Stupid dog.
Yeah, I think he was just drooling over Max's pee. I don't think he was going to eat him. Look, Ducky's in there. It's a nice, comfy, warm place to be.
It's a little higher, so it's a little warmer too.
Mm-hmm. They like going in the water. They have plenty of fresh water. It said make sure they have plenty of fresh water. Maybe we shouldn't even have got the water thing. Told you ducks love it. I remember when we had ducks and we got them something like that, and they were in heaven. We would put them in the bathtub. Look, I got pooped on. Right there.
Where?
It dried already.
Oh, nice.
Bird poop. My first diaper change of a duck. No, it was me. I'm the diaper.
They just pooped on the red hat.
Yeah, they did. That's yucky, Quackers. That's yucky. You don't poop in your home. Look, he's getting all the heat.
He's like, yeah, I do.
Look, Ducky's like, ew, gross. Ew, move over, poop. Oh, look, they like it. They like their new home. Actually, I don't know if that was poop. I think it was just shaving.
Mm.
Yeah, it was just a shaving. And see, they have that area where it's not rocky. Nice and soft.
I'm trying to get the tag.
They were,
Ducky was.